Alright, continuing the journey up to Central Park. That was Times Square, as you've seen, what it's like in the rain. Very quiet in the rain. So it's a short walk up to Central Park. And yeah. So usually I see some rats on the way and $1.50 pizza. And the rats in New York, they're not that bad. But the cool thing is in between Times Square and Central Park, you got a lot of little like seated spots. E-bikes and seated spots. So I'm gonna give you the tour. So as you can see. Oh shit, you gotta beat the light. You gotta beat the light. That's how you do that. Alright, so these are all the e-bikes. And they work really good. And you can ride around on an e-bike. It's pretty fast. It goes about 20 miles per hour. As we're walking up through Broadway, they got a lot of theaters and restaurants. And I'm going to give you all the tour. So, when you're walking, you see a couple of these stores right here called I Love New York Gifts. They got a lot of stuff in there. T-shirts, other stuff. But yeah, it's a long walk. And I'll show you, this is like the street. And as I walk around, you'll see this is like a newspaper stand. So it's pretty cool, right? And you can get whatever you need there. Little things there. And what else do they have? Not much, just like some escape room, the bank. T-shirt. They got some t-shirts. But check out this view. Tell me these skyscrapers don't look sweet. Check this out. Yeah, so we're continuing north. And probably run into like 35 different people on the way. And yeah, it's really hard to walk around like 1,000 people because you never know which way someone is going to walk, and you run into people all day long. But check this out. If you're looking right here, this is a cool spot to sit. And that actually goes down to the subway. Then up here, I think you got a Taiwanese restaurant or something. I don't know what this is, but this is supposed to be the spot. Check this out. Never been in there, but it looks cool. Alright. We got about 10 more minutes, 15 more minutes to get to the park. And we're trying not to get hit by any cars. Alright, so as we're coming through, you see we got a McDonald's right here. Check this out. Alright. Got a, I don't know what that is, some shit over there. Look, you got another gift shop, same one. Same store. This is my favorite store right here. in all of New York, because you just walk in, grab a Gatorade, and some of them aren't that busy. But yeah, the Duane Reade store, so check it out. That's a good shop. Sometimes it takes a long ass time to get out, but that's just the time of the day. Excuse me. On the way to Central Park, the most important thing is don't chat. Try not to chat with the homeless people, but yeah, they're everywhere. And the thing is, there's some crazy video earlier where they basically, at like noon, they have to start taking the homeless people off the streets. And there's like dozens. And that's another story, but sometimes you gotta wait for a while here at the light. Check this out. But eventually, the shit, it goes. Looks like that. Yeah, pizza shop. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this vlog running. I figured I would just keep this whole vlog running in case anything crazy pops up. But I don't know how I'm gonna charge my phone if it gets wet. But we'll keep it going. That's a musical theater right there. Go in there, catch a show. Alright, I don't think it's good to be vlogging in the rain because I don't think I'm going to be able to charge my phone. Maybe I'm going to I'll vlog for about 5 more minutes, maybe. We'll see if anything happens. But, yeah. The rain is pretty consistent. So, check it out, still raining. Oh shit. Walking in the rain. Oh, smells like diesel. Oh shit. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, so if you don't run across the street sometimes, you basically have to fucking wait for a minute or two. You'll never make it all the way from Times Square to Central Park in any meaningful time because you'll be standing at every light. But check it out. So there's nothing really here, a diner and a Dunkin'. And $1.50 pizza. Let's see. And it's Serafina. There we are. This is me walking through with the umbrella. I'm only 20% wet. Fuck, I'm 20% wet. Alright, put it on the hood. We're gonna see how long it takes to be saturated. I don't want to get saturated. But I'm okay, 21% wet. Fuck, I'm 21% wet. I'm gonna keep this vlog going, I guess. But it's coming down. I think I should cut it. I don't know. Alright, it's a little bit further. I think I can get there. Alright, check it out. This is like kind of a middle spot between Times Square and Central Park. Might be like halfway. Maybe more, maybe less, I'm not sure. But check it out. Go that way. Go that way. Got the walking man, you can go right through. We're good. Big ass puddle. You don't want to step in that, you'd be wet. Super quick. So, but yeah, if you're watching this video, the umbrella is pretty good invention. Your legs get a little bit wet, but that's alright. Alright, I'm gonna cut the vlog until something comes up.